for nice delivery, and I think enjoyed and learned a lot of things from you. Thank you. So the participants, sorry for that. I mean, so we are late. We are moving towards the end of the session. Before that, we will have a small ending ceremony. So in that ceremony, so we'll have a recommendation. Recommendation. Will be presented by Professor Mahbubur, and I also inviting Momena, Professor Aziz to come forward to the stage and take a seat here, and also Professor Mijan. So, Mahbubur, if you are ready, then
Thank you, sir. This is the last presentation of today. So this is the workshop summary and recommendations that was last 3 days presented. Professor Rahman. Overview of International Buffalo Workshop 2024. Total number of presentations were 19 in 5 sessions. First session was climate change in buffalo production. Session 2 was buffalo production in the other countries like India, Pakistan, and Nepal. And buffalo udder health and milk chain in Bangladesh. Session 4 was food safety and employment in buffalo farming, and session 5 about buffalo farming constraints and mitigation. There was a problem-based learning. 2 session was there, including 4 groups, and there was a roundtable discussions and 2 lectures finished. A total number of 112 participants were participated in multi-sectoral representations from public, Department of Livestock Services, universities, professionals from home and abroad, and Bangladesh Livestock Research Institute, and private sectors, NGOs, some international delegates from food and agriculture organizations, farmers, our core participants, journalists were present there. So, challenges of buffalo production, they raised. First challenges was reduction of grazing land, feed and fodder shortage due to the conversion of grazing land into crop cultivation, high value vegetable production, and use the land for dual purposes, grass and crop, and use fertilizer and herbicide for crop production, which is the soil fertility. In another promising area, increasing soil production industries in the coastal regions, which alarming for grazing land. And another point is climate change, and climate change, which greenhouse gas emission, our ruminant production, and in addition, extreme weather, which promotes cyclone, lightning, increased sea level, flood also. Another area is increased salinity and in the coastal regions, and then which aggravate the shortage of drinking water, which will suffer from diarrhea. And in final impact on reproductive health due to the climate change. Diseases also is the one challenges, important challenges for buffalo production, parasitic infestations, hemorrhagic septicemia, and brucellosis, LSD, FMD, mastitis case, also ketosis. So a few solutions they recommended. First is increasing food to increase the food efficiency, and straw picking should increase, and TMR and UMB, UTSA is for which utilize the feed efficiency to accommodate climate resilient product production also, and silage preparation to mitigate the shortage of grass, and rotational grazing also recommended. In addition, manure and waste management to reduce greenhouse gas emission, climate smart livestock production, crossing the exotic breeds to preventing breeding. This is one area to improve. How develop a data bank for animal genetic resources, and in addition, genetic improvement is a very important area to improve. It's improving indigenous breeds and high yielding salt resilient buffalo breeds production. Use of advanced technology for software assisted ear tagging of buffalo, and farmer friendly app development to identify the animals where they are living and any problem they are facing, extra synchronizations, and in vitro fertilization, multiple rate transfer, selective breeding, and improve genetic potential of the animal. And in another area, cement from broken bull, which we should consider this from certified sires. Government initiatives is mandatory to improve these challenges. National policy should be developed for the development, antimicrobial uses, incentive to the farmers who rear minimum greenhouse gas emission, and these activities performed in collaboration with government organizations and non-government organizations and public sectors. And advocacy should promote buffalo rearing constrained by DLS personnel with Ministry of Personnel. And in other areas, lease the grazing land to buffalo farmers, and that now urbanization and the people of that means industrialization, people give the priority. And another solution is shifting rearing system from extensive to intensive or semi-intensive system, increasing lab facilities, and another is to provide comfort and freedom of the buffaloes, loose housing system, which to promote their production, and whole family expansion approach, including for women empowerment, public awareness campaign to encourage young generation to buffalo rearing, and effective veterinary services should be provided, more veterinary access, and veterinary doctors should go to the remote coastal areas. And in addition, deworming vaccination campaign should be performed regularly to the buffalo prone areas. And to management the disease, several management or suggested microencapsulated glucose or glycerol supply directly to the intestine in case of necrosis, and in case of wound healing, chemi-on bandage spray, which can be applied. In case of mastitis management, in this frequency of milking 3 to 4 times per day during mastitis. This is one of the managing management areas. And avoiding intramammary infusions, which in case of intramammary infusions, the teeth canal are injured, and microbials can be the other. And tick sealer is polymeric film can be applied in the tick panel and to maintain dry floor. Floor should be provided for the farmers and buffalo production. Value chain development for the milk, meat, and their products. Microbiome in buffalo milk, yogurt, and teeth to identify the pathogen which is responsible for the production of different diseases, and producing competent graduates by universities to mitigate the shortage of our shortcomings. In addition, training facilities for the cowboys, farmers, middlemen, vaccinators, milkers, and care technician by the Department of Livestock Services and NGOs with the help of NGOs. Now, some farmers are maybe training they get, but we should continue the process with the other cowboys, especially middlemen, vaccinators, and milkers to get the safe milk and meat products. Increase animal productivity instead of number. So numbers of buffalo is declining day by day, but productivity also declining. So good healthy practices should apply, and good hygiene and biosecurity, ensure proper business environment, prioritizing cultural dominance. That means milk and meat pocket areas such as coastal areas and Chittagong, where buffalo meat, they love Chittagong people. Rearing buffaloes next to dairy farming and to use residual utilization and important issue to prevent the indiscriminate use of antibiotics, and this to prevent this indiscriminate use of antibiotics, government legislation on microbial disease and availability should be monitored. Thank you all for your kind questions.
So thank you so much, Momena and Professor. Would you like anything to the presentation?
Thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity today. It was an excellent workshop from where I learned a lot of things from the international and national speakers. And I think the way the workshop has been organized, it was very understandable for everyone to take their home messages. Additionally, I think Professor Mahbub has already mentioned the constraints and solutions very well. In addition, I want to draw the attention for 2 points that could be new. Actually, it's about machine milking. So, in case of machine milking, feed stimulation is very important. So, farmers, we should know that if you milk a buffalo or cow without feed stimulation, the milk production could be 2% less. So, keep in mind that feed stimulation is very important in case of machine milking. And also the use of oxytocin. One of the farmers participants mentioned that maybe 60% cases oxytocin is used for buffalo milking. So you should also know that there is a adverse effect of using oxytocin if you use too much and also too much dosage, because at one point the oxytocin doesn't work. There is a refractory development. So you should be careful about that. Otherwise, I think all the things are very clear and it was very nice. Thank you very much.